Hello, my dear Skillshare community. My name is Inga Yulin. I am an artist, freelance illustrator, and I am obsessed with watercolor, magical things, and cute stuff. And during my classes, I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate, how to use it in a fast and simple way, and also how to create lovely watercolor illustrations digitally. And during my today's class, I prepared for you a very special topic, which is autumn vibes. And we're gonna create lovely watercolor styled illustration. And what is more important is that in the end of my class, I will tell you how to create lovely seamless pattern in Procreate. Also, in the end of my class, I hope you will learn something new about the Procreate, especially some information about composition, how to use blending layer modes, about alpha lock, clipping mask, hue saturation and brightness, and curves. Also, how to create watercolor art digitally in a simple way. Guys, you can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, or maybe you want to sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or maybe you just want to share it with someone whom you really like. I'm sure they will like the illustration that is created by you. And as a bonus, I prepared for you lots of freebies. For example, color palettes, sketches, brushes, along with lots of new stem brushes and the illustrations that I created. I hope they will help you to ease your painting process a lot and you will find them useful. And during my class, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey, my whole creative process. We will need to follow some steps in order to complete our lovely illustrations. First of all, I will show you where to find all the freebies and how to import them into the Procreate. Then we will create texture paper. Our next step will be creating sketch and using one of the composition rules. And finally, we will start adding colors, shades, and highlights. Our closing step will be creating seamless pattern. Sometimes it can be so tricky. And one more thing that I want to mention, your opinion and your feedback is very important to me. So feel free to tell me what you think about the class in discussion or review section. I will be glad to reply to you. My dear art fellows, I can't wait to start this class and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to projects section. Please feel free to enroll, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's start painting process together.